EAS, whole EU as your home market. Fact, tax compliance issues are the main reason preventing online sellers and marketplaces from expanding to new markets. Market expansion is expensive. National compliance issues create artificial barriers to entry. EAS is a low-cost, single tool to open access to all European countries. Acquiring the knowledge required on the national laws and regulations is costly and time-consuming. All this knowledge can be accessed and used from a single, fully automated EAS solution. Customs processes are difficult and unfamiliar to most merchants. That's why EAS has automated customs data management and provided a secure customs data transfer. So what do we provide in effect? We provide access to 445 million affluent customers, regardless of where the seller is located. EAS saves money, time and resources and provides seamless deliveries and therefore happy customers. EAS is currently available for use with WooCommerce and Magento plugins. In the near future, Shopify, Amazon and eBay plugins are in the development pipeline. There are no reliable market data apart from one figure we find credible. It's 4 billion shipments from outside of EU to EU end customers annually. The serviceable obtainable market is in the region of 10 billion shipments a year and growing rapidly. Simply, EAS is outperforming the competition. EAS is the only fully automated, comprehensive VAT compliance solution for the whole EU. There are no monthly or annual fees with EAS. The current sales pipeline has 5 companies in the closing stage. On success, these companies will provide EAS revenue in excess of 2 million euros. Our core team is a PhD in indirect taxation, a PhD in finance, 1 acquired banking license, 100+ years in logistics and customs, 80+ years in global trade, and 40+ years in software development. We are born international. We speak 16 languages already. So what we are looking for is 2.2 million in funding. This will provide us an EU market entry with 1,500 customers, 5 new plugins, 1 new territory, and revenue in excess of 5 million euros. EAS, make the whole EU your home market. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Teemu, for the presentation. And thank you for being part of the Kiuas Accelerator program this summer. Now, next up, do we have some questions from the jury?
Yes. So it seems to me that it sounds like a big plan and very exciting ecosystem. Just want to understand, can you describe a little bit of the overall roadmap of your business development and what will be your next step?
We started the development with an idea of providing the end customers a secure single action purchase. Instead of asking the customer post-purchase for documentation or to pay other additional fees, everything can be done through us. In addition to that, because we already handle customs-related data for the merchant or the marketplace, we built a customs data management solution based on Hyperledger blockchain. This was built in cooperation with Universal Postal Union. Both of these areas, the VAT compliance and the blockchain solution, provide numerous possible future developments. For the VAT compliance, the clear ones would be expansion to new territories, to include the EEA countries in it, for example. The blockchain will provide...
Yes. Sorry. You're working with at the moment. So any partner you're working with at the moment? Or
We don't.
you
We are
plan to
not.
work-
We don't. We are not in the revenue stage. If that is what you mean.
All right.
Okay,
Thank you
thanks.
for that. Other questions?
Yeah, quick question from my side. What's your anticipated revenue model and how are you looking to monetizing this?
We are a transaction-based cost, which is paid. We invoice it from the merchant or the marketplace. Like I said, we don't need an annual fee. We don't need a monthly fee. Everything is transaction-based. So if you don't use it, there is no fee.
All right. Time for one more question.
Hey, quick question, and thank you for the lovely pitch. So you were talking about, how unique you are, but tell us something about your weaknesses or disadvantages currently that you're facing.
We're new to the market. Of course, we lack credibility with multiple companies working in the indirect taxation area. Not going to name any names, but they are selling basically product which is fully manual, slow, expensive to the our target customers. So we are the only one with the full automation. And we have discussed with basically our worst competitors the possibility of cooperating, and we are continuing discussions with one.